Hair scissors. The hair cutting scissors set includes hair cutting scissors 1, thinning shears 1, hair razor comb 1, dressing hair comb 2, clips 2, barber cape 1, 1 hair sweep brush, cleaning cloth 1, leather case 1. High-quality hair scissors. The hair scissors are made of 440C stainless steel with finger rest and rubber finger inserts makes shears comfortable to use. They are sharp and wear-resistant, which is anti-corrosion, heat-resisting and unfading, ensuring a perfect cutting every time and can easily create the perfect trim, cut and avoid damage or split hair ends. Ergonomic design. Our professional hair shears are contained with an adjustment screw. You can effortlessly fine-tune this hair cutting scissor set to your desire of tightness and tension. Its unique easy grip handle design allows the hairdressing scissor to cradle fingers, delivering a perfect haircut every time. Good gift. The hairdressing scissors are good for salon workers, hairdressers, barbers as well as for family or individual home use. You can create very stylish shapes for your children, loved ones, parents, friends, even pet. High-end manufacturing process. 30 teeth of tooth shears scissor on one side give 30% thinning rate. The straight scissors measure 6.77 inch, and the key part of the blade line is polished by hand, with the smooth edge make easier to use on men, women, the elderly, children, and babies. Texturize hair for stylish looks. We test hair scissor kits features. High-quality material. Professional sharp hairdressing scissors are made of high-quality stainless steel, resistant to corrosion and heat. Sharp enough and will not damage or split hair ends, perfect for slicing wet or dry hair. Ergonomic design. Professional hairdressing scissors. The handle is ergonomically designed. With finger rests and rubber finger inserts, you can easily operate the scissors. Adjustable screw can easily tighten or loosen the shears, which always offers a comfortable all-in-one haircutting kit. It comes with everything you need to make professional stylish haircut style. It will save more money for you to trim your hair at home. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect addition to our home barbering set. My husband cuts the hair in our home. There was a perfect addition for the many clippers and accessories we already have. Very nice set.